In this video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Bolt.new coupon code. So in order to redeem this, you first need to head over to their site, which is Bolt.new. You should be able to see right here these parts. So if you don't have an account yet, you can proceed to click on the Get Started option in order to create an account, and from there you should be able to access it. If you already have one, just proceed to click on the Login option and you should be able to log into your existing account. On my case, I already have an existing account, so for this case, you just need to head over and here is my actual account right there. So if you want to redeem a code for a subscription or for a plan, you can just first head over to this case and then in here you can see this option for my subscription. Proceed to click on this right here. You can see right here your current token balance. You can see right here the upgrade. You can choose right here the monthly tokens that you will have. I'll just choose the most basic one, which is the 10 million per month. My current plan is free, so for this case, let's proceed to upgrade. You can click on this upgrade option. Then after that, it will direct you to the checkout for the Stripe right there. So in here, we have the plan, and in here you can see the option to add promotion code. So for this case, click onto this and you can just input right here the code that we have. You can find codes by searching it over the internet if you would want as well. So for this case, just input right here the code and it should be able to reduce the amount that you will need to pay. And once you're done with that, you can just scroll down, input right here your details. You can pay through bank or through card as well. You also have the option to save your information for faster checkout and for recurring payments. Once it's done, proceed to click on the subscribe option in order to subscribe to them, and it should be able to get you the discount off from your coupon code. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.